Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wanted to create your own children's storybook but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've dreamed of turning simple ideas into colorful picture books and even animated videos without hiring designers or illustrators? Well, what if I told you there's an AI tool that makes all of this possible in just a few clicks? In today's video, we're going to explore ReadKidz, a platform that helps you generate children's books, story videos, and even publish them online, faster and easier than ever before. So, the link to ReadKidz is available in the description. Once you click on it and create an account, you will land on the main dashboard. And here's what it looks like. On the left side, you can see tabs like Home, Explore, and My Creations. Along with that, there are powerful AI tools such as image generation, filter image to video, and many more. Now let's explore its features one by one. First of all, let's try its picture book feature. Here, you can either use your own script or try the generated option. For this demo, I'll click on the Generate button and then select Single Book. You also have the option to create a book series, but I'll keep it simple and select Single Book, then hit Next. Now we're on the picture book creation dashboard. Here, you just need to enter a story and select other settings. For example, you can choose the reader's age group, 3 years, 4 to 6 years, 7 to 9 years, or 9 to 12 years. After that, you can select the story type, the story theme, and adjust the format like Spectra Show or YouTube size. Finally, enter your story prompt and hit the AI Generate button. It will first write the story summary, and once it's ready, you can click on Extract Roles to identify the characters. Next, it shows the section where you can select the drawing style. For example, you have options like fresh watercolor illustration, simple cartoon style, rainbow style, cartoon oil painting, and many more. Just pick your favorite one and click Next. Now it's time to set the character images. In my story, I have 2 characters. The AI creates 4 to 5 different versions, and I can choose my favorite one. After the characters are ready, it moves to the storyboard. Here, I can click on the Generate button to create each scene according to the prompt. Once done, all my story scenes are ready and displayed in the storyboard. The next step is adding sound. Just click on the mic icon and you can add voice. There are multiple voice options to choose from, so select the one you like. Then, choose Single Dialogue, hit Generate, and the voices will be added automatically to the dialogues. Once that's complete, go back and click the Preset button to preview your story with the added voices.
The Loyal Mornings of Bailey.
Every morning, just as the sky began to shimmer with the promise of a new day, Bailey the golden retriever stretched on the porch by the little blue house. His soft fur glowed golden in the sunlight, and he listened for the sound he loved, Jonas's hurried footsteps coming down the stairs. Jonas, with his backpack slung over one arm and a pair of bright red boots on his feet, pushed open the front door. "Morning, Bailey," he called. Bailey barked softly, woof woof, and wagged his tail.
Now you can see the full story, complete with narration. Finally, let's generate the video. Click on the Generate Video button, and here you can customize it further. You can add effects like twinkle, twinkling stars, romance, falling leaves, and more. You can also apply animations such as circle open, distance fade, black fade, and many others. If you want, you can even add background music. After making your selections, hit the Generate button. The system will start processing, and once it's done, your storytelling video will be ready to play and export. Now, let's try another feature, the Single Illustration button. With this, you can generate images very easily. Just select your favorite style from the options. Enter your prompt, and if you want, you can even upload a reference image. After that, Choose the aspect ratio and hit the Generate button. Within seconds, 4 different images will be created based on your prompt. Super simple. Next, let's check out the AI filter feature. This allows you to upload pictures and perform personalized style cloning. For example, I'll upload this girl's image and then select my favorite filter style. Once I click on Generate, the AI transforms my image into a completely new one in a different artistic style. As you can see, the results look great. You can try out multiple filters for different looks. And that's not all. You can also convert AI images into videos, bringing your ideas to life instantly. So overall, you can create storybooks, illustrations, and full storytelling videos in just a few clicks, all starting from a simple text prompt. The link is available in the description, so make sure to try it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.